Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Freedom flag creation. We will walk you step by step through the process so you can achieve a clean and polished result. You can pause the video between steps if needed. First, inflate all the linking balloons to 12 inches. Make sure they are round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently release a bit of air until it becomes perfectly round. Then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, start building vertical chains by connecting the end of one balloon to the neck of the next. Follow the color pattern shown to create the correct flag layout. You can trim the tails between the balloons to create a cleaner, more refined appearance. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, connect the balloon chains together using the provided glue dots following the layout guide. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. After assembling the full flag, place the stars onto the blue section to complete the design. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Once your flag is ready, secure them by tying the ends around the ribbon. Then, carefully attach the ribbon to the hooks you've prepared in place. Your balloon flag is now complete.